do you need to install Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are a common modification for car lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some leather components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers have a mounted-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the mounted-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and thread than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the bloxsport actively Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute intended shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat distribution effect and improve safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Mitsubishi Pajero, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.